Starting a business is an exciting venture, but one of the initial and most critical decisions you must make as a future business owner is how to write a business plan. Should you take on the challenge yourself or opt for the seemingly easier route? By taking ownership of this first and foremost step in building your business, you gain much more than a document for others to read. You develop a profound understanding of what it takes for your business to thrive. And this comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a business plan in 2024. Welcome to the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. If you're seeking a daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to click the notification bell and hit the subscribe button now. Defining the business plan. Before we delve into the steps, let's clarify the concept of a business plan. It's a meticulously researched and refined document with myriad purposes. Your business plan can help secure loans, attract equity funding, solidify objectives, gather feedback on your business idea, establish partner agreements, determine your business's value for sale or legal purposes, and map out strategies for a new product line, unique selling proposition, promotion, and expansion. Step 1. Write an executive summary. An inadequately written executive summary can often be the reason you struggle to find investors for your business. No matter how qualified your team is or how brilliant your business idea is, the executive summary must present all major information about your planned business concisely and clearly. Don't write the executive summary for yourself. Write it for your readers. Consider who your audience is, what their educational background is, what information matters to them, and what will influence a positive decision. Keep the executive summary to 1 to 3 pages, making it visually appealing and unique. Clearly state what you expect from your potential investors, including the expected returns and exit strategy, the top selling points of your investment proposition, and a simple statement of expected income, expenses, and cash flows, along with the total capital needed and a summary of return projections. Step 2. Business description. A well-constructed business description streamlines your journey to starting your business. When crafting a formal plan with the aim of qualifying for a business loan or attracting investors, you need to demonstrate that you know what you're doing. Your business description must first and foremost align with your customers' expectations when they walk through your doors. Dive into your customers' minds to understand what they want and recognize that if they're seeking something specific, there's likely more they desire. Comprehend their needs, offer solutions, and break down the steps required to provide them. The business description section of a business plan should encompass details about the legal structure, the business's origin, its type, location, methods of operation like internet sales, storefronts and mail order, and the products and services that you plan to offer. Step 3. Operations plan. An operational plan is essential for new businesses to yield positive results. To construct one, incorporate elements like cash flow forecasting, profit plan preparation, flexible budgeting, break-even analysis, variance reports for expense control, executive reviews, daily, weekly, and monthly management meetings, a weekly position report for the company, a mission statement, a strategic team operating plan, an organizational structure, delegation of authority, a position guide, a hiring procedure, performance evaluations, progressive discipline, employee compensation, and a profit-based incentive system. An operational plan serves as a technique for examining the current and past performance of an operational investment, measuring it against specific standard costs, operations, and services, and determining how goals can be achieved more efficiently and cost effectively. Step 4. Organization and management. Detailed organizational structure is crucial, including ownership, management team composition, and board members. For board members, explain why they were chosen to be part of the board. Create an organizational chart to visualize your management structure, including each manager's name, position, responsibilities, education, the teams they manage, special skills, years with the company, and previous employment. Step 5. Legal structure of your business. Selecting the appropriate legal structure for your new business is essential. You have 4 options: sole proprietorship, with you as the sole owner, providing ultimate decision-making authority; partnerships, allowing 2 or more owners to share financial responsibility and tax burdens proportionally; a corporation, with various structural possibilities but typically including a board of directors, officers, employees, and shareholders; and a limited liability company, LLC, a separate legal entity that can obtain a tax identification number, open a bank account, and conduct business under its own name. Step 6. Products and services. Use your business plan to outline the products you'll sell or the services you'll offer. This section should highlight your top sellers, unique offerings, and provide detailed descriptions of your products and services, showcasing the core of your business and what you're offering to the public. Step 7. Marketing and sales strategy. Develop a well-defined marketing and sales strategy that ensures you understand your target audience and have a plan to reach them effectively. Grasp the demographics of your customers to develop a successful strategy. Whether you're a real estate agent targeting home buyers and sellers or a business with other clients, your strategy should include sales and marketing goals, target customer profiles, chosen marketing strategies, revenue targets, and an action plan for implementation. Step 8. Competitive analysis. Perform a thorough competitive analysis to gain an edge in your market. This involves categorizing competitors, delving into their promotional strategies, evaluating their products and services from different angles, and identifying their strengths and weaknesses through a SWOT analysis. Recognize your competition's vulnerabilities, such as legal issues, business policies, and personal matters, to develop a strategic advantage. Step 9. Unique selling proposition. Identify your unique selling proposition, or USP, that sets you apart in the marketplace. Determine what combination of features benefits your customers more than your competitors' offering. Whether you can deliver orders faster, offer special expertise, provide performance guarantees, or ensure top-notch customer service, make sure your USP is crystal clear. And lastly, Step 10. Financial plan. Financial planning is paramount for business success, whether you're a startup or an established company. Estimate the funds needed to open and run your business, considering one-time fees and ongoing expenses, such as permits, licenses, rent, and utility payments. Develop worksheets to itemize each expense and its cost. Ensure your business plan is clear and concise, and consider potential what-if scenarios to preempt questions from your audience, convincing them of your well-thought-out business plan. Creating a business plan for 2024 is a comprehensive endeavor that lays the foundation for your business's success. Your business plan is your roadmap, a window into your vision for potential investors, and a guide to navigating the challenges and opportunities of the year ahead. By following these steps thoroughly and clearly, you'll be well prepared to chart your entrepreneurial path and embark on your business journey in 2024. We hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.